In this video, we're upgrading the backyard drift track with some details and a pop of color. I already have the 3D printed red and white curbs, which just those alone made a huge difference. Also, big shout out to Roadside RC for those free 3D files. But I think we can add some more details in the negative space of the track. So I made my way to my local hardware store to find some Astroturf or artificial grass. I was able to find a huge 6 foot by 8 foot carpet roll for around 25 bucks, which will be more than enough for my project. I'll have some leftovers as well for the future. All I needed for the project was some fake grass, obviously, and some scissors. I thought I might need a tape measure, but I never ended up using it. I started off tracing the 3 foot by 3 foot curved circle that I have. And what's cool about this fake grass, it's basically a mat, and the car usually will just drive right over. You'll see at the end of the video on some track footage on a GoPro. I cut out the negative spaces of the two corners, and then I filled in a few areas with some scraps because I didn't want to waste anything. Overall, I think the amount of detail to the subconscious mind adds so much realism. It's fun to get involved with the scale accessory side of the RC drift hobby. I think this was an easy project to achieve. You don't need the 3D printed curbs by any means. All you need is some vinyl tape to lay out the outline and some artificial grass for that pop of color. It can go a long way. I'm ending the video with a little GoPro footage running on the track with the new details. I hope you enjoy the video and found some educational or entertainment value out of it. Like, comment, subscribe, but most importantly, never stop evolving.